Hello everyone, my name is Jamonte Perkins, and this is my live training reflection video for visual frameworks for the month of February 2015. Going into the first live training session, I was excited to get to see what this class has in store for me this month. Everything started out like most other live discussions, the first live discussions. We reviewed a course overview and reviewed the academic dishonesty policy. From there, we moved on to learning more about titanium and how titanium reads our code and converts it into Objective-C to use on Apple's Xcode. And the same with Android, it just converts it into Java to use on the Android platforms. Something that I really liked about titanium is that is the multi-platform code base, and that what you write in titanium can be converted into the proper code for different operating systems. After a great overview of titanium, Mr. Gibson demonstrated to us how to set up the proper folders for titanium to be able to save our projects and work properly with GitHub. And here on my desktop, I have my GitHub folder here, which is connected to my GitHub account. And in that folder, I already have my project one and a README file. And then this Visual Frameworks folder is just a folder that I put in on my desktop for each class. It's just things that I may type up for the class, other things like that that won't get turned in, but I like to keep track of and save. The most important part of the video for me last night that we discussed was how to start a new project within Titanium. I had tried starting a new project earlier that day, but I could not figure it out to save my life. Here, I've already started my new project. I haven't put in any of my own code yet. Everything is just the base when you first start off the project. But this is where I will be doing all my work at, and I have both my iPhone and Android folders here and everything that goes with it. Mr. Gibson then showed us the different files and folders, which I just showed everyone, that Titanium creates that goes along with your projects. The thing that I found really funny last night was how the different screen sizes of Android devices are classified. That was pretty funny. Overall, I really enjoyed the live coding session last night, and I feel a little more comfortable with the many features of Titanium, but Titanium to me seems like a lot. I'm looking forward to actually writing code that will function within an app instead of a web browser like how it was in Scalable Data. So I'm really looking forward to that. That is all for this video, and I will keep you guys updated as I continue this course. Thank you.